Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to look at merging queries in Power BI. Now when we talk about merging queries, we are simply talking about merging two tables together based on a common column. Okay, so this is just like VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. In this particular case, I am going to be merging product table and AW sales table. Now, the column that is common to the both of them is the product key column. AW sales, you can also see the product key column here. Based on the common column, I want to merge the both tables. Now, just as a side note, because you can merge column does not mean you should always do that. In short, it is better you leave the two tables as single tables and define their relationships within a data model. That would help. So if I am to merge product and sales product, I'm going to, first of all, I want to join the columns, okay, from product into the AW sales table. I'll come to the home tab, and in the home tab, I'll find the merge queries. And then you can also see the append queries. In the next video, I'll be talking about the append queries. Now, when I click on the merge queries, you'll find two options: merge queries and merge queries as new. So in the merge queries as new, when you click on this option, Power BI is going to merge the two tables together and create an entirely new table, which is a product of their merging. Okay, so but in this merge queries, it will only merge columns from one table into an existing table. So I'll click on the merge queries, and we have this dialog box in front of us. So this is a preview of the AW sales table, and as we've noted, the common table is the product key. So I'll click on that, and then what is the table I want to combine with? It is the AW product. Then I'll go to find the product key column within the AW product table. I'll click on it. Now you can see the both columns are common. Now in the join kind, you have to leave this, okay? But you ensure that it is showing left outer. So what this simply means is that we are combining columns from AW product, which is on the right hand side, to join the tables AW sales 2017, which is on the left hand side. So you also have the fuse matching. I'm going to talk about fuse matching in another video. So you can see the selection matches 29,481 out of 29,481 rows. So that means all the rows are the same in sales and in a product. So I'll click on OK. Now, when I click on OK, you find this new column that has been created here, and each of the rows is having table down to the very end. So to remove this, okay, you have to click on this part. Now, when you click on it, you find all the individual columns in the product table. So if I click on OK, it is going to add all the columns from AW product into AW sales. Okay, but in this case, I don't want that. I want to select some tables and some columns, please. So I'll click on, I need the product key, I need the product name, and also I need the product color. So I'll click on OK. Okay, so you can see AW product key, AW product name, and AW product color. So these columns have been added into the AW sales table. And as you can see, in the AW products key, you can also find product key in the sales table. This is 529214. And then when you compare it with that from the W product, you can see 529 and 214. So this is how you are able to merge queries together in Power BI. I will see you in my next video. Bye.